of all, I mean, as we know, the World Health Organization just declared this a global health emergency.
Now to growing concerns about the deadly coronavirus officially hitting the U.S.
We don't have immunity to this virus. It's a new virus.
We are facing an incredibly contagious and dangerous virus.
The CDC has identified a case of coronavirus in Washington state.
Well, if you've been to the store recently, you probably noticed the empty shelves where the toilet paper and hand sanitizer used to be.
Self-distancing. I'm self-distancing. I don't even know how to say distancing. I don't even.
Oh my God!
There's a whole epidemic going around.
COVID-19.
COVID-19 coronavirus. There's a thing about the coronavirus. You just chill in the middle of the fucking street. Look at the sky.
It's not locked. Let's go! Just simply is. Just simply is. Just simply oh, no!
Juju's coming tonight. Juju's coming tonight.
What the fuck?